Hi, my name is Brittany, and I took the Organized Life Design online closet organizing workshop last spring when they offered it. I absolutely adored this workshop. I found the content super helpful. I found it well organized, which makes sense since they're organizing people. But it was so easy to follow along, and I learned so much. The process was really clear. It starts with just how to sort and purge through all the stuff that's in your closet. And if you're like me, there's a lot of crap in your closet. And it finished with things like labeling and storage. And if you're interested in how to do all of that so that you end up with a really beautiful aesthetic. So I absolutely loved being walked through that process. I'm somebody who's already pretty organized, but I would say I need a little bit of help getting all the way there, and I need encouragement, and I need to know that other people are doing it with me or be held accountable to kind of get it done. So that was one of the really beneficial aspects of this workshop. I actually took it when we were in the process of moving. So I couldn't quite complete the last little bit, the setup of the closet and the labeling and all of the finishing touches until after we had moved. But the great thing was I had already watched the videos, so I knew what to do, and I still had access to them. So I was able to log back into the group, review everything I needed. I still had access to the Maggie and her team to ask questions, even though I was setting my closet up a little later than everybody else had done. The last thing is that once I learned the process for doing the closet, I was able to use those steps all over my house. Like, guys, all over my house. I used it with my kids' toys. I used it with my pantry. I used it with my kitchen. I used it with my office. So not only does my closet look organized and beautiful and it's functional and easy to use, but my entire home benefited from this one closet workshop. So that, to me, it was so worth the tiny amount of money I spent taking this workshop. Literally my entire house has benefited from it, and there is so much value in that. Our lives run so much more smoothly when things are organized. So I cannot recommend it enough.